Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Club SciKidz. If you've been watching my channel long enough, you know this is one of my favorite children's subscriptions. Well, it is my favorite for older kids. So this is a great one for like your 8, 9, 10 kids that are into science and are learning that in school, and so they can kind of get the fundamentals. Each box, these are STEM boxes, science, technology, engineering, math. If you're not familiar, very important. These boxes focus on one field of like the STEM sciences, and like a career in that field, and then they'll expound on it with a bunch of activities, experiments. And the past two boxes were like doctor, health related. We've done geology, animals, so many, and it's just such a nice box. And because they add these what they call micro experiments, it gives you even more to do. So this lasts you, while some boxes you can do in a day or two or maybe 3, this one will take you the course of the month. And I really do like that about it. Great for the summer if you are struggling with what you guys can do over the summer. This is a great, sorry, I'm going to put my hair up because it's kind of hot. I thought earlier, I was like, oh, I'll turn my air conditioning off and I'll open the windows, and it is muggy and humid. Look at me here. Ugh, whatever. So each box is $29.99. You can buy one-off boxes, but the subscription is really cool. All right. So you open it up, and there's what you have. Here's our card that tells us what's in the box. Our activity book. So weather on the wild side. Ooh, this is so cool. So this is obviously meteorology. And then you'll go through, like our first experiment is making frost. And then it tells you, what I really like too is it's not just the experiment, it's the why. We're going to talk about the why. Why does this happen? So how does it work? And then we're going to do a nature project, which is a weather window. Weather equipment and technology mini weather station. That sounds fun. Ooh. And then it tells us about the equipment. Then we go through secret formulas. Making a cloud in your microwave. We've done this before. I think this is with the soap. You put ivory soap. If you've never done this, look it up on Pinterest. If you want to do it at home, you put ivory soap in the, I don't think it's that simple. There's more to it. So don't just go doing that. Look it up first. But it like puffs up and it becomes awesome. So then there's a rain cloud in a jar. And then here's our micro experiments. And then at the back it goes over a scientist in the field, and also books and movies as well in this Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs. Oh my god, it's so cool. All right, so let's go through here and see what we have. We have a hacky sack, and each box comes with a couple little like trinkets to make it a little more engaging for the children. So this one is like it looks like the sky. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I can actually do some really cool tricks with the hacky sack, but I'm not going to do them on camera. Do you see all that laundry? Sorry, guys. All right. So this cup and this stuff here is what I'm guessing we're going to make frost with. Let's see. 9-ounce plastic cup, 1 cup of ice, water, ice cream, salt. I guess that's what that stuff is. A spoon, paper towel, empty soup or vegetable can, and a thermometer. Yes, so that is for making frost. And everything is usually divided up together so that you can easily pick out what goes to what. So you're not like looking through a box of little items. So this is for our weather window. And now obviously I'm going to link down below to my full review where we'll do the projects and you'll see them in action. If you're interested in that, I always do that on the blog. And if you're interested in checking out Club SciKidz, I'll also link to them below. So this, I'm guessing, is for our mini weather station because you have a thermometer here and you have what looks to be like a gauge of some sort. I'm kind of afraid to open it because it has little parts. But I don't know if you can see. There's like a gauge here, and then the back has like a scale. So, then Lifesavers Winter Green. I think I'm going to keep these for myself. Mostly because, this for the weather window as well. Oh, this talks about the different kinds of clouds. So that is everything that we received in our Club SciKidz. I thought there was supposed to be a bar soap. That's okay because I have one. That's everything that we received in our Club SciKidz. If you're interested in checking out the full review, I'll link that to below, like I said. I'll also link to Club SciKidz. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.